Okay, guy, I'm doing the short shift for 2006 Eclipse GT with a 6-speed manual. It's pretty easy. You have to take out the old one over here. They had this pin, so the silver one and the bottom one for the spring. There's a spring right here for the reverse when you hook it up. They give you this pin here to punch out the pin inside out, and they give you a new washer that you can take it out. It's pretty easy. To remove the washer out is you need like a very flat. I use a knife to get from the inside, and then I cut it off with the cutter. So you cut it off, and then you put the plier right here. You cut it up on the side, right there, and then you get it out. Let's see. It look like this. So that one's gonna go back in on the side here. Once I got this thing back in, here's the clip that's gonna go right here, the spring, and then the top pin here, you have to draw a hole on the other side to punch it out. But the new pin a little bit longer, so you might have to cut the top pin off just a little bit to put back in the spring. And there's a metal spring down here. There's a clip down here too. The pin here, you can punch it out. Once you punch it out, you can get to work. This is the short shifter. I didn't show you how it's pretty easy. This part here is the is for the bottom here. It go in back inside here. But you have to hammer it back inside, and then it seems to be easy. I find one instruction online, which is Mexican guy speak Mexican, so I just trying to look at the picture how he did it. They got extra stuff that is supposed to be placed, so I didn't want to replace it. Here's a new one. I think I'm just gonna keep the old one. He did the same thing. This washer here was supposed to go into the inside here, make it stiffer, but it's okay, I don't need it. So I just did a short shifter. It's a little bit different because I cannot get this to face forward because the pin's on this side, the factory one's on this side, so this is face forward, so hopefully that doesn't cause any problem. That's all I can think of. But to take the top off, you gotta take all this thing out. There's a screw, 3 screw here, there's 2 here, 1 here, and then up here is 1 screw in the middle here and 2 right here to take it out, and then there's 2 clip pin on the side here, 1 on each side. So you just gotta pull it out. Hopefully this thing work. Thank you for watching. Leave comment down there and describe. Thank you.